Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a drop-down list in Google Spreadsheets. So first of all, open your document in which you want to create the drop-down list. So I have a sample here in my document. Now, suppose I want to create a drop-down list in C row. So I will select the C row here. Then I will click on the data from menu. Then you need to click on the option here data validation in bottom. After that, click on add rules. Now I will see these options. Here you have to select drop down, and here in options you can write like test 1, test 2 and test 3, and disallow multiple selections. After that, click on done. Now let's check our drop down menu. It's working fine. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.